Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda today in this training video, we will learn about folder actions in DMS. Although there are several folder actions available, but in this session, we will focus on Create Document Action. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the Create Document action include? What is the purpose of using it? How is the created document saved in the DMS? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, the user must have DMS form access. Folder actions. These are the list of folder actions available in DMS. First, new subfolder. Next, rename folder. Next, delete folder. Next, delete subfolder. Next, move folder. Next, share folder. Next, subscribe folder. Next, create document. Next, upload. Next, folder information. Next, open scan app. Next, copy folder structure. Next, link window. Next, enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Create document. The Create Document action allows users to create a new document directly within the Document Management System, DMS. It enables users to enter content, add metadata, and select a document type, providing flexibility to save the document in various formats, including PDF, TXT, DOCX, ODT, and RTF. Users can also choose an organized location within the DMS to store the file. By default, a document created in the DMS is in a checked-out stage, indicating the user is still working on it. To save it in the system, the user must change the status to checked in. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the three ellipses next to the folder name in which the user wants to create the document. These are the folder actions available in the DMS. Select Create Document action from the list. By clicking this, the Create Document screen opens in a Word format, allowing the user to enter the document's content. The user can use various formatting options, such as changing the font, adjusting the size, and applying bold or italic styles. After entering all the content, the user clicks the Save As button to save the document in the Document Management System. This opens the Save Document pop-up on the screen. The user can enter the document name. Please ensure that the document name does not contain special characters, except for underscore, hyphen, dot, and brackets. Next, select the folder for saving the document. By default, the folder displayed is the one from which the Create Document action was initiated, but the user can change it by clicking the folder info icon. Currently, I am selecting the default folder. Next, select the document category, if the user wants to create the document with an associated category. Next, select the file type from the drop-down options to save the document in the Document Management System. Available options include DOC, ODT, PDF, TXT, and RTF, with DOC selected by default. For example, I selected the TXT option to save the document. After entering all the details, the user clicks OK to create the document. By clicking OK and Info, message appears on the user's screen indicating that the document has been created successfully. Click on cross icon to close the message. To verify, return to the DMS web form. Select the folder where the document was created. The user will see that the document has been successfully created in the checkout stage, indicating that the user is still working on the document. Please note that a document is created in the checkout stage. If the user performs an undo checkout action, it will delete the entire document from the DMS. To save the document in the Document Management System, the user clicks the three ellipses displayed alongside the document. This opens a list of document actions. The user selects the check-in option to save the document. A check-in pop-up will appear. By default, version 1 is entered, but the user can change this if needed. The user clicks OK, and the document is successfully saved in the DMS. So, in this video, we have covered Create Document Folder action, and the rest will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.